How to fix auto volume issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix auto volume issue on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. Disable automatic volume adjustment. For that, go to settings. Now tap on sound and vibration. Now look for the option for volume limit or simply auto volume adjustment and turn it off if available. Also, you can display any sound optimization or enhancement feature that might cause volume changes. The second method to follow is simply you need to disable the do not disturb. For that, go to settings again and tap sound and vibrations. Now you need to open do not disturb and ensure that do not disturb is turned off, as it can lower the volume or silence the notifications. The third method to resolve this kind of issue is simply update or restart a device. Hold the power button on a device and simply select restart. And once you have followed this step, you can go through settings and update your software. On the settings, tap the search bar and type in software, or you need to type in update if you don't get that way. Wait for a few moments and select software update. If you find any updates available, you have to check for it and then update it to the latest version. Following this other step, your auto volume issue on Android will be fixed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.